Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm Mariam, and today I want to chat about graduating from the School of Narcissism. How good! You see, guys, this is about transforming yourself, going beyond the form. To transform is to literally arrive at who you truly are. You see, when we say graduating from the School of Narcissism, we're talking about transforming from the inside out. You see, healing is a multifaceted journey, meaning that you want to learn to heal your nervous system, to regulate your nervous system. You want to learn to repair your attachment trauma, to literally reprogram your subconscious mind. So you see, guys, healing is never linear. It is spiritual, it is somatic, it is emotional, it is about the subconscious mind. So you're looking at infinite layers of possibilities when it comes to healing yourself from narcissistic abuse. So when we say graduating from the School of Narcissism, what we are saying is transforming from the inside out. And I had to learn to transform myself and my life because I was born into a narcissistic dynamic. My mother was the first narcissist that I met. Ultimately, she became my greatest teacher. And she was the last narcissist, perhaps, because she passed after I left the last narcissistic guy. A year after that, my mother passed. So when I said goodbye to my mother, everything got changed. And that goodbye wasn't physical, it was spiritual, it was emotional, it was somatic, it was my subconscious mind embracing that graduation, that goodbye. So today, I want to inspire you to think about transforming yourself. I know that some of you guys are looking for ways to reconnect with your narcissistic ex, or perhaps questioning why they did what they did. But my point is, I want to encourage you to focus on your own healing. As I said, healing is not linear. It is emotional, spiritual, somatic. You must reprogram your subconscious mind. The healing journey must become your priority, period. I want to encourage you to leave the narcissist behind. And that means letting go of wanting to break no contact, letting go of wanting to reconnect with them, letting go of wanting to reunite with them, letting go of feeling guilty because your narcissistic caregivers guilt tripped you. They said, you must stay in touch with me. I want you to discard that part, put it in the bin, and you move along with your healing. I want you to get to the point that you literally don't care what anybody else is saying. Come on, give them another chance. Come on. They're your parents. Come on. You be nicer to them. Come on. They're gonna die. You're gonna regret. the fact that you never connected with them again. I want you to let go of that rubbish, because it's just rubbish. You must honor your soul, honor your journey, and commit to your own healing. You want to learn how to regulate your nervous system, how to work through different trauma responses. You want to reprogram your subconscious mind. There is so much to accomplish. You want to find out what is your relationship with abundance, with money, with the environment around you, with people around you, with your career, with your life purpose. But you see, as long as you're holding to that guilt, to that blame, to that regret, you won't get a chance to heal yourself. You're still invested in those narcissists. You're gonna let go energetically, and that is how you graduate from the School of Narcissism. And you surely deserve it, and I'm here to encourage you, to inspire you, to remind you that the journey is not about them, it's about you. It's not about what they did, it's about who you are. Hopefully, you guys find this video helpful. This is my message today. Wow, what a great journey. You see, guys, I want to encourage you to commit to your own healing, because that is the true path. That is where your freedom is. That's where your identity is. That's where your abundance is. That's where your prosperity is. That's where your journey of unfolding is. You create your own reality. So think about it. What is it that you're creating in any given moment? Regret, remorse, shame, guilt, or love and freedom? Take a deep breath in and out. Center yourself in love. Center yourself in the realization of the love that you are, and you are it. You are the embodiment of unconditional love. They made you believe that it didn't exist, but I want to remind you that you are it. You are that love. All right. If you're looking for one-on-one coaching sessions, make sure to reach out to me. My email is in the description below. I'm looking forward to journeying with you guys. Don't be stuck emotionally. You see, narcissistic abuse can make you feel isolated. You need a good coach. I'm here. Reach out. Let me hold your hand so we can find the exit and see the light at the end of the tunnel. You've got this. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.